Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, you can't tell by the title, we're doing a midweek reset. Before you get started, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell, turn my post notifications so you can get notified every single time I post. And also follow my socials in the description, because if you don't have me on TikTok and Instagram, what are you doing with yourself? But yeah, let's get to it. My room is a mess. My schoolwork is a mess. My grades are not a mess, but like, it could be better. I've been wanting to do this video for so long, but your girl has not had time. They've literally been bombarding me with schoolwork every single freaking day. Today's literally like the only day I've been free, and I literally have work to do, but at least it's not due anytime soon. I started up my room. I took off most of the clothes that was on the floor. Mind you, that's my room right now. So when I tell you it was a lot of clothes, it was. So I put a lot of stuff in the washer, took off my sheets, washed my sheets. I kind of got a little summer yesterday, but I still have to vacuum. I gotta do a lot. So that's what it is gonna be in this video. Y'all, my eyes literally been red all day at school. I don't know what the frick happened, but let's go. Actually, let me put myself on a schedule, because that's the best way I work. So right now, it's 5:39, so I'm thinking I want to be done at like 8:39ish. So first of all, let me start with those pot clothes, cause so we're gonna make a big girl list of all the things needed to be done today. So first of all, we're gonna start with put up clothes. Then we're gonna clean surfaces. Then we're gonna take out trash. Then we're gonna vacuum. How do you spell vacuum? Vacuum. What else is there to do? I want to like arrange my room. Not necessarily arrange, but I want to like take down the flowers. I want to put some lights up. So I'm gonna just say room decor, I guess. And yeah. Alright, let's get to it. So we'll start with this huge pile of clothes. Alright, so we're gonna separate it by which one needs to be hanged and which one needs to be folded. Alright, so I've separated all of them need to be folded and all stuff that needs to be hanged, and I'm about to go get my hanger. I just want to like rebrand myself. I'm gonna go on Pinterest and be a whole new person tomorrow. I don't identify as my.
That's okay, take your time.
I don't identify as the person I was yesterday. New day, new me, period. Alright, let me see. This is how I start getting distracted again. Alright guys, so I just finished putting all the clothes that are needed to be put on the hanger. I just finished putting them all on it, so now I'm going to hang it up. Don't let me take you back to your mama. 20 minutes calls cause I'm not home. What you gonna do when you got put them on lock, took them out the Belgium. Welcome, bitches just pretty, that's seldom. This box better than the box he was held in. I'm on the T and the outer. I call him Teddy like powders. He like it when I get drunk, but I like it when he be sober. That's top of the top, but I never fuck. Alright, so now it's really time to fold all these clothes. Well, look at my jeans. I have so much jeans. I don't know where they came from. But right now it's almost 7. It's 6:57. Let's get to it.
I really need somebody. Tell me you did somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body.
Alright, so I finished with all my clothes. These ones are just like ones I forgot to put in the washer because these are really dirty. So I'm gonna wash that. And then these are my pajamas for tonight. Guys, I literally have no clue what to do with this tutu, bro. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw my Halloween post. Because for Halloween, we had a pep rally and we performed in the pep rally for Step. And we had to wear this orange tutu. But now, I don't know what to do with it. I don't have a clue what to do with it. I'm gonna like just try to like fold it like this. And like stuff it somewhere because I don't know what I'm meant to do with this. I just really love this hairstyle on me. Like, book with Nana, not me and my sister. Book with my sister. I'm gonna I just stubbed my toe. I'm gonna put her hair page in my bio so I could like boost her, you know, clientele because her stuff is tea. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. I don't know if this 9 o'clock time is gonna work because it's 9 o'clock. So let's hope I'm done by 9:30. Let's just hope and pray. Even though I doubt it. But yeah, right now I'm gonna throw vacuum.
Don't care what no birds say. You was always first play. Got me calling out work today. Come give it to me, babe. I really need somebody. Tell me you did somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body. From the bed, eat body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you.
Alright guys, so my floor is spotless and I'm almost done. Now I just have to wipe off the surface. Oh my god. Wipe off the surfaces and I'm gonna be good. Period. Okay, let me get myself together for real. I'm going to put a bag in my trash can for my room. Okay, so now my venti. This is what we're working with, guys. I know. But it's okay. Period. Vanity is done. Don't play with it. This is cutesy, so clean, so pretty. Oh, the mirror isn't. Let me do my mirror real quick.
All the girls. I know there's somebody who loves me. Somebody. That's all I need. Me and my Miami turning up another night. We smoking broccoli, but she smelling like a ride. Coming up pennies, trying to get out in a crowd. Friends are my friends, and they trying to get God. Her name is Angel, but she's far from God. Say they don't pay well to fall in love. Must be the stars, but something's lining up. Not my exit was bad, but you find out. Oh, no. Yeah.
Yeah. Let me take a picture for my thumbnail. I don't know how long that was, but it's 9:41. Okay, I think I might be able to finish at 12. So I did the big things. Ooh. Okay, my last thing was my room. I don't know what to do to it. I think I want to put my lights back there behind my bed, so like whenever I'm talking to you guys, it's like there and it like shows that you can see, because I don't like those flowers. I really don't. And plus I don't even have a nut for it to be that cute. It's only like 5 flowers, so I'm taking that down.
That's all I need. Yeah.
Guys, I'm stressed. I'm so stressed, but I'm done anyway. Hope you guys like my little creation. Let me turn off the lights. I need to get me some new LED lights because these are broken as heck. Okay, that looks much better. But my LED lights are killing me, bro. But don't talk about why those 4 aren't connected to the top. And those are. But that's cute as heck. Alright, so let me put my sheets on. And hurry up and get ready for bed. So your girl is done in her room. Now I'm about to do my bathroom real quick. I'm just gonna wash the counters and sweep the floor and wash the toilet real fast. Alright, I'm done with the bathroom. It is spotless. So now I'm about to take my shower and call it a night. Guys, I literally love my LED bathroom. Like, it's so cute. Let me turn it off. I want to take my shower with the Method Hibiscus Mango Nectar Passion Fruit. And you guys know my Cetaphil moisturizer. So I'm gonna see you guys after my shower. Alright guys, so I finished taking my shower. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of moisturizer on my face, because I don't like my face being dry. Period. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I need to tie my hair up, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm about to go to sleep, guys. Let me check what time it is. Alright, so we were supposed to get done at 9. It's 10:35. But it's okay. I'm so proud of myself because I did everything I needed to do. I did not leave not one thing. This was a real good, deep cleaning. Like, I ate. So hopefully my room doesn't get back messy, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. So if you haven't already, you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell, turn my post notifications so you get notified every single time I post, and follow my socials. Alright, good night guys.